A cowboy that wears a Resistol hat, 9 times out of 10, he's wearing it because his father wore it, his grandfather wore it. They know that every time they get a Resistol straw, it's going to be something that's going to be durable, comfortable, and they can depend on it. Resistol hats started here in 1927, and the vision then, as it is now, is to produce the best cowboy hat in straw or felt for the working cowboy.
There's a special hand touch to every single hat that comes through our line. We have people who've been here for many, many years working on our hats, and they know how to spot imperfections going through the line, and they handle every single hat that comes through multiple times.
A lot of our straw hats focus on cowboys who need a lot of ventilation in the hotter climates, bigger brims for more shade, special sweatbands that wick away sweat.
The difference for a straw and a fur hat or a wool felt hat is basically weather related. The lightness of a straw hat is obviously going to be more comfortable in the spring and summertime. The straw hat is going to be very durable because they'll withstand any kind of spring showers. The lightness of it and any ventilation that the crown may have or on it will help release heat in the summertime, keeping you cooler.
A lot of your quality comes from the weave, the type of material used, and then the longevity of a lot of those hats, especially one that's worn out in the weather, has to do with the amount of lacquer on it.
We've worked hard to develop harder lacquers that will help a straw hat hold up for an entire season.
I feel like if you're going to buy something, you need to buy something that you're getting your money's worth and you're going to like, you're going to enjoy, you're going to feel comfortable in.
What we're trying to do is make a great hat for a great value for the working man.